I'm Genius G with another dope unboxing today. And today I got more heat. Here I have the Nike Air Fear God 1 in the cell colorway. And these sneakers were dropped June 8th for the retail price of $350. Jerry Lorenzo's Fear God and Nike have collaborated once again on this sick silhouette, the Air Fear God 1. This is the third drop in regards to the Air Fear God 1. The first one being the light bone and black colorway. The second one being that highlighter green and highlighter orange colorway. And this is the most recent one, this cell colorway, which is a white colorway. So let's go ahead and take a look at these sneakers. So starting out with the box, these sneakers come in an orange box. Fear God in a glossy print printed on the box here on top. The Nike swoosh in a glossy print printed here on the side. Now when you open the box, it reveals this little bag here. Let's go ahead and get the sneaker out of the package. And here we have the Nike Air Fear God 1 in the cell colorway. So starting out with the upper of the sneaker, the first thing that catches your eyes is this beautiful black little Nike swoosh right here. And you don't need a big Nike swoosh, this just dusts it off. This is my first time owning an Air Fear God 1, man, and this sneaker's freaking sick, man. Looking at it this close, I'm just like, damn, man, I hit, man. Now we have this cage here in a glossy white. The upper's mainly made out of mesh, white mesh. Here we have that midsole in a light bone colorway. Exposed air right here, and it's double stacked air zoom unit because this is a basketball sneaker. Then we have Air Fear God, that's an 832-9166, and that's Jerry Lorenzo's grandfather's service number. Moving on to the front of the sneaker, the toe box here is made out of suede, just a gorgeous suede. Then we have this overlay wrapping onto the toe box, and this is reflective. Here the midsole's wrapping onto that reflective part. And here where there would be a tongue, there is no tongue. We have this strap just going down the tongue area. These shoelaces are rope laces. The lining is made out of mesh. And then inside this is like a suede material. Here we have a tag right here, and it says Air Fear God. It says Fear God. And then your shoe size. The inner panel of the sneaker is exactly like the outer panel of the sneaker, nothing new. Now the back of the sneaker, we have the zipper here, and that's how you get into the shoe. Looks a little tight, but it is what it is, man. You know, you're gonna flex hard regardless. Then we have a Nike here embossed onto the back, and a Fear God embossed onto the back as well. The outer sole of the sneaker is just white with that exposed double stacked air zoom unit, black Nike swoosh. So guys, we went over the Nike Air Fear God 1 in the cell colorway, and these sneakers are freaking sick, man. Jerry Lorenzo and Nike did it again, and some say this is the best colorway out there. I like these and the light bone a lot. You know, these would probably go at it. I like the black ones because you could always rock them, and you don't run the risk of getting them dirty as much as these. You know, you really got to watch out with these if you're going to be rocking them. But man, the attention to detail, the materials they use, everything's on point. You know, no one's going to be rocking these to a hoop unless you're really balling like that, man, or you're playing in the Drew League. But other than that, man, you know I ain't rocking these to a hoop, man. So guys, thanks again for watching. Please like, subscribe, be on the lookout for more heat because I do have more heat. Thank you and peace.